Hello, everyone. So, I have been on TPT for a little bit now, but I just started to take it seriously. And I wanted to talk to you guys about why succeeding in a business is all about having a mindset shift. I believe this wholeheartedly. I've joined several courses. I've been trying for a while, and once I had this mindset shift, that's when things really changed for me. And I definitely recommend excuse me. I definitely recommend reading the book Rework. It is by David Heinemeier Hansen and Jason Fried. And this book really put a lot of things into perspective for me. And I'm not really sure why I didn't see it before, but you guys, having a business is hard work. You have to do strategies and things that take time in order to see reward, even in your TPT business. Yes, it can be easier for some people than others, and you may enjoy creating resources, but it's not easy. If it's easy, you're not going to grow. So, there were so many fascinating things from that book. I think one of the following videos that I'm going to do is just kind of a summary of some business books and things to put in perspective there. And then also a video about how to minimize tasks that you have. So, yeah, I'm sorry. Getting a little off track. But there was so long when I was just thinking, why hasn't anyone discovered me yet? And kind of had a pity party, and, why is no one buying my resources? Or why is this not taking off like it's taking off for some other people? And there were a few factors that played a part in that. And I don't know how I didn't realize that until recently. So, the first thing is just to definitely make sure you have high quality resources. And I don't know why this just popped into my brain, but I really don't think that the market is oversaturated, because I don't know, I just don't. Yes, there are people, but I feel like even if you're just starting, you can still make it on TPT depending on how much work you put into it. But, it is passive income, but the thing about passive income is that you have to work hard at it in the beginning, and you may have to continually to work hard. You can sell things while you're sleeping, but in order to do that, you have to have created the high quality resource, and if you want to sell more of that resource, you have to market it. So you have to market it. It has to be high quality so people that can leave feedback and so on. So you really have to think about that. If you're just starting a TPT store just because you want easy money, that's not going to be the case. You need to put hard work into this. So you have to create a schedule that allows you to put your effort into TPT. You have to think about creating the resource, marketing, follow-up, updating resources, things like that. But so once I realized, alright, people don't just get lucky, which I love the saying, the luckiest things happen to the hardest working people. The luckiest things happen to hardworking people. I love that quote, and I don't know why, it just in my mind. Yeah, that's true. A lot of times we look at things and we're like, oh, they're so lucky, blah, 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 but we don't know the behind the scenes of how much they've been working or how hard they've been working on something. They might have been working on something for a couple years and have just not told anyone. And so I don't know, if that gets you to get up and get your butt to start working, then do it. I don't really know what else to tell you other than you have to stop thinking you're just going to get lucky. You're not going to get lucky. It is a business. You have to work hard in order to get to the goals, in order to reach your goals in your business, and continue to make progress. Reflect with others. It is a great, rewarding business to have, and I think a lot of times we think it is easy. Like, even if you have a TPT store, you might find that it is easy, even if it is successful, because you might enjoy doing it. You might enjoy creating those resources, and maybe not all of them, but you probably find some enjoyment in it, which makes it easy. I would say, like, don't sit around and just say, like, oh, I have an idea for a resource, but I don't know, and just not do anything about that. Then you're not going to sell anything. You have to put your ideas into perspective and start working on your goals. Like, if you don't actively work towards a goal, you're not going to reach it. The chances of that are like slim to none. So I think I'll have some videos about mindset, and I think I'll start making some videos about mindset and having a business mindset. But I really do think it's like believing in yourself, like being okay with failures, learning from it, learning from your mistakes. Know that small successes lead you up to further successes. So start small. Start with some small successes to set yourself up for success. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye.